How to fix unable to verify app in iOS 17. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. If your iPhone is showing unable to verify app, then go ahead and follow these steps. Launch the settings application on your device and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. If not, you can also switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now tap on your name banner and scroll down and tap on sign out. Enter your password and tap on turn off and sign in again. Also tap on screen time and then on content and privacy restrictions. Here, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases and then tap on installing apps and make sure it is selected to allow. Also go back and under require password, make sure don't require is selected. Go back and now tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. The latest version is crucial to maintain optimal performance and it can also resolve issues on your iPhone. Go back to General and tap on iPhone storage and make sure you have enough storage space on your device. Go back and tap on Date and Time Now and make sure the toggle button for Set Automatically is toggled on. Also, in general, again, tap on VPN and device management and make sure you are not connected to any type of VPN services. If you are connected to any VPN, then go ahead and disconnect it and your issue should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.